All right, guys, the Breakfast Club in Oviedo, Florida. You guys stay tuned. We're going to check out the menu and see what it is.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guys, okay. And we be putting.
Oviedo, quick breakfast. So this is the Breakfast Club in Oviedo, and nice prices, decent little place. It's an alternative for like first watching Kiki's, places like that. So if you want something more of a homemade type fast food, I think it's maybe your place. Condiments, all kind of little stuff in here, guys. Also, in case you're at lunch, get your beer. They got chicken and jalapeno whoppers. Oh my goodness, Belgian waffles. That's a really good price. Definitely want to try that. Classic chicken tank eggs. Prices are really good, guys. My goodness. Really decent prices. Pork chop platter. Hungry man platter. Omelets. Build it. Veggie lover, got a meat lover, got an ultimate omelet. Right around $10. That's not bad at all. Depends on how many eggs you want in it. Western is like one of my favorites. Philly, Greek omelet, Rockefeller omelet, chicken haven. Oh my goodness, guys. We got a garbage plate. Hash browns, scrambled eggs, bacon, sausages, ham, onions, peppers, jalapenos. Oh my goodness. We got pancakes. All kind of good stuff in here. Hidden jewel here. I got some breakfast skillet. This is more or less a veggie one. Got the potatoes, got the broccoli, got the eggs on it.
And hash browns.
And the hash browns, my goodness. So the hash brown is the base of it. And this is only $9.95. So $10 for this big meal. I hate to put my hand on the food, but as you see, compared to my hand, it is pretty big. So you definitely get your money's worth here. And this looks absolutely wonderful. And let me get toast to come with it. I actually got chicken and waffles, jalapeno waffles. So in here you can see the jalapeno here in the waffle. You see on top right there. Served. And these are more or less chicken tenders. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this guy a taste. And because I wanted breakfast, I got some eggs to the side and a piece of sausage. And Devin gotta have a coffee. And of course, you gotta have a syrup. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Taste this chicken. Tender. Nice and tender. Okay.
Thank you, tourists.
Nice homemade. Not commercialized. Taylor just went here and breaded up the chicken tenders and fried it and dropped it. It's pretty good. Guys, closer look at this jalapeno waffle. Go ahead and get it open here. The jalapeno in it. There you go. Look at that, guys. I want to taste it without the syrup first, just to see if I can taste the jalapeno in it. Taste it. It's not bad, actually. The waffle is good. It's kind of sweet, just like a waffle would be. And the jalapeno is a nice little kick. Nice flavor as well too. So this is basically just tasting it without dessert. I like it. You know, a piece of chicken. Try it exactly with the chicken. All right. Delicioso. Let's try it, guys. That's pretty good. Just a little syrup. That's all you need. You don't need much syrup at all. The flavors are really good. I'm really surprised. I'm gonna have to make this at home. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm glad I chose it. Yeah. Alright guys, this is really good. So let's go ahead and try this country skillet. The club skillet, I'm sorry. Put this to the side. Try this club skillet. Got the eggs here. This is all veggie. You can order, of course, meat and stuff on it if you want to. Got the potatoes, got the broccoli. We'll give this a try. A little jalapeno on there as well, and cheese. Alright guys. My goodness. The potatoes. Look at that. Nice fresh broccoli on it. Oh yeah. The club skillet is the bomb. I like it a lot. Of course, you can order whatever you want on it, and that's the beauty of it. Just in case you guys are curious, this is I ordered a side of sausage patty, and eggs as well. So I got my eggs medium fried. It's a little bit hard fried than I wanted, but other than that, it's not bad. Not bad at all. So the idea what the sausage patty is, it's almost like a McDonald's sausage patty, but it's definitely a different flavor, but it's still pretty good. All right, guys, let's give this guy another taste. Eggs. There it goes. All right, guys. Keep saying that. Turn the thought out. So far, it's been pretty good. Guys, there you have it. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. We see you guys next video. Peace.